Okay, so it's Decidus here.
And So Slick.
Yeah, representing for Europe Entertainment
And Trolling.
Ludicrous Trolling. You can follow us on Twitter at Decidus Mackey and Facebook, Romoya Decidus Mackey, and you can also follow one line at
Akeem So Slick Davis on Facebook.
Yeah, you don't know, say if you like crap or anything, just like, share, follow, tell everybody about us and things. We're here to give you entertainment.
People who love the foolishness, they don't know so you will bring it to you, see?
Yeah, you don't know how the summer all setups there.
You don't know say they are boring, so we're there. You see?
Straight. So here man, so just follow, like, share, out.
Follow Kashibutu on Facebook. Mud.